So hello everyone, this is Moyez Rabbani back with yet another project. So this is Cardify, much like Trello application, except for the fact that it doesn't has as many features like Trello does. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, this is a beautiful landing page which you are greeted with when you first visit this link. Okay, by the way, all these links are going to be available in my portfolio website. You can visit it at moyezrabbani.dev. Okay, so moving further, this is the landing page. Cardify helps team move work forward. These are just arbitrary text that I used from ChatGPT. So now, okay, so let's log in. Continue with Google. By the way, it uses authentication by Clerk. Let's log in with my account. So here it is. Okay, so as you can see, I already created a board for testing purpose. So let's create. It's much like a SaaS application where in the free tier you can create at most 3 boards, and to create more boards you have to pay. Okay, so as you can see, I've already created one board and I have 2 remaining over here. So let's create another one. This is as you can see, just like Trello, we have these images popping up. By the way, these images are generated using Unsplash's API. If I close this modal and if I reopen it, you will see different images being generated. Okay, so let's select any one of them. I think this one might look good. More title, let's give them second board. Let's hit create. Let's wait for some time. As you can see, we have a nice pop-up over here that says board created, and we are redirected to the board page, as you can see over here in the URL. And here we are. How beautiful this looks. You can change the board name just from here. I can change the board name over here. Let's make it short. That was a lot bigger. I hit enter and the board name got updated. I can add a list over here. Let's say this is the first list. Another list. Let's add one more. And another list. Okay, so now inside each list we can create card just as like you would do in Trello. So let's say this is the first card. See, this is second. It's amazing. So this is a very nice experience. You can see we have nice pop-ups over here that that tells what you did. If you click on a particular card, a modal will open. As you can see, there was a slight loading UI also before a modal opens. I like you can see that there was a slight loading UI over there. So yeah, so user experience is also taken care of. You can add a description. Let's say this is a description. You can save it, and we also have activities over here. Let's see, this the same user created this card and the same user updated this card. We can also delete it. We can also copy this card, which I'm going to show you a little later. First, let's move on to the main feature, which makes it a Trello-like application, and that is you can drag and drop each card into different lists. As you can see, how smooth was that? I can put it over here, card reordered. I can even drag the list reordered. How smooth is that? Let's look at this. Amazing, right? Okay, so yeah, and the copy feature, I can also copy a list over here. As you can see, the list got copied, and I can even copy a card. Like say I'm going to copy this one, copy this card. A copy got created over here. So this is amazing. I can even delete this entire list, and all the cards inside this list will also be deleted, just like that. So let's go back to the home page. As you can see, we have one remaining board. So let's just create that to check the subscription functionality. Last board. So this was the last board. Now, as you can see, I have 0 remaining here. So that means I should not be allowed to create any more boards. Okay, so let's try that. As you can see, I'm greeted with a pop-up module which asks me to upgrade to Pro. So let's click on upgrade. We are redirected to Stripe's checkout page. It costs $20 per month. By the way, all this is in test mode, so you don't have to pay any real money. So you can visit Stripe's website to and get the fake details that you need to enter over here. By the way, it's just 424242. It's a 42422. Any random date, any random future date will work in this case. Let's take 25/7/7. Let's click subscribe. Let's just wait for the payment to process. And as you can see, the payment got successful, and now I should be able to create more boards. As you can see, I can now create unlimited boards. Let's just try that. I should be, let's hit create, and as you can see, I'm now allowed to create it. Amazing, isn't it? Now, one last feature. This is a fully functional B2B SaaS. That means this subscription model is only gonna work inside a particular organization. Let's say I create another organization. Say create organization. Let's say another organization. Create. Skip it. As you can see, I have three boards remaining over. That means the subscription that I paid for, not actually paid for, doesn't work in this another organization. It only works for the test organization. And we have this slide model also. We can see the boards over here and see the boards. So let's just create some boards over here first. So you can switch between different organizations just like this, and you can even see the activity that went on with a particular organization. In another organization, I created this board named first, and if you can see in this organization, I did a bunch of things. I created a board, I deleted a list, I updated a card, all this stuff. And I can even have manage my subscription over there for the test organization, and I can even cancel this subscription just like this. Amazing, isn't it? You can also switch the organizations over here, and it reflects at all places. As you can see, you can sign out, and we are redirected to the landing page. By the way, guys, I just forgot to show you that this application is also completely responsive. As you can see, so the landing page is completely responsive. Let's just log in to demonstrate you the other things also. As you can see, the entire thing is completely responsive. You can even visit the boards. I can add a list over here. Entire thing is responsive. Let's add another list. And you can, using your mobile, you can create a card. And you can. Thank you. That's it for this project. See you in the next one. Bye bye.